This is how to install the ERA100 outlet shelf. First, let's check what's in the box. 1 shelf base, 1 socket mount frame, 1 cable spool, 1 shelf platform, 2 socket plates, 2 socket screws, and 1 speaker fixing screw. Safety reminder: before you start, turn off the circuit breaker of the power socket to prevent electric shock. Now, let's assemble and install the outlet shelf. Start by removing your existing socket plate from the power outlet. Next, insert the power cable through the shelf base. Then continue threading through the shelf platform. Next, attach the speaker to the power cable. After that, attach the cable spool under the shelf platform. Then lock it in place, along with the speaker, using the provided screw. Next, neatly coil the wire onto the cable spool. This shelf is designed to perfectly fit the ERA100 power cable's length. Attach the assembly to the socket mount frame. Lastly, install the assembly on the power outlet using the provided socket plate and screws. This shelf includes 2 socket plates to fit your existing power outlet.